Jadi film apa nih yang terakhir dilihat di komputer
Uh,
atau di mana dan yang terakhir di bioskop?
uh, uh, Last I was at home too. Uh,
What is it? What was it? Mana kira-kira?
2 weeks later.
Sorry?
2 weeks later.
2 weeks
20 weeks later. 20 weeks
with
later.
28 center,
Weeks.
20
Week.
weeks, 20
Ah,
weeks. So that is horror movie,
no.
action.
Zombie.
Oh,
Action.
zombie. Oh,
Zombie.
that is Western or Asian?
Western.
Western movie, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like that movie?
Huh?
Do you like the movie?
Yeah.
Oh, that is good. And how about in the theater, in the cinema?
Udah apa ya? Lama. Udah
So,
lama ya?
so long time ago ya, and you
Iya,
forget
long
about
time
it
ago.
ya.
Uh,
Agak lupa gitu ya.
uh,
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, thank you very much, Aska, for trying number one.
okay.
Okay, now let's move to the continue to the number two. Is going to movies popular? Where do you live? Is it getting more or less popular? Why or why not? Okay, here I will ask to Gracia. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Grace. So, how about your opinion?
Um, Here, sir, di sini there is not such things as cinema or bioskop because it can be said to be in rural areas.
Oh,
Jadi
wow.
nggak ada bioskop atau itulah.
So that is so far away from your house, yeah?
Ya,
Oh, how long the distance?
what? Maksudnya?
How long the distance? Jaraknya berapa jauh nih?
Nothing, sir. Nothing.
Really
Harus
nothing?
ke kota dulu atau
Wow,
ke traveling.
wow.
Jadi di
So
sini kebiasaan. Ya,
so far away from your house ya. Jadi harus kalau liburan baru bisa lihat gitu.
ya.
Okay. Okay, that is good opinion. Thank you very much, Grace.
Oke, biasa.
Okay. So next we will have Zahra.
Yes,
Zahra.
sir.
Okay, can you
Yes.
help me? Is going to movies popular where you live?
Um, eh,
Kalau di tempat kamu cukup populer nggak bioskop gitu?
Cukup populer.
So popular enough ya.
Iya.
Okay, so do you think that agree with watch in Netflix or in the cinema?
In Netflix.
So you prefer to watch in Netflix ya?
Yes.
Okay, that is so simple ya.
Yes.
Okay, that is good opinion. Thank you very much, Zahra.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so next we will have Aska. Aska, can you help me?
Ya.
Okay, Aska, is going to the movies popular where you live?
Ya.
So watching movie is popular in your area ya?
Uh,
Oh, wow. So do you often watch movie?
Hah?
Do you often watch movie? Kamu sering lihat film nggak?
Ya. In Netflix.
In Netflix, so you prefer to watch in Netflix rather than in cinema ya?
Ya.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for trying this one, Aska. Okay, that is the about opinion. Okay, now here we have talk to classmate and write down 3 advantage and disadvantage of watching a movie in these ways. So I want to ask you which is the advantage watch in cinema and what is the advantage watch in Netflix. Jadi ada Apa nih keuntungannya lihat di Netflix, apa keuntungannya lihat di sinema. Terus apa juga kekurangannya lihat di Netflix sama kekurangannya di sinema. Jadi nanti saya akan menyanyi satu-satu ya. Mulai dari Aska, Gracia, Zahra bisa menyebutkan kekurangan dan kelebihan. The advantage and the disadvantage. One by one I will ask you about this question. Okay, I will try with Grace. Can you start it first, Grace?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the
Um,
advantage?
Kalau advantage ya,
Ya,
uh,
advantage
I
keuntungannya nih.
think I think can watch it with other people with a big screen uh, apa ya fun atmosphere. Yeah,
Oh, so that is in cinema ya.
yeah.
So, what is the disadvantage?
It disadvantage ya. Apa itu? I
Kelebihannya.
think watching it at home is equally action. I think because it's comfortable
Oh,
and
so,
free.
so what you
Comfortable
watch
and free.
at home, it is comfortable ya.
Yeah.
So, how about the disadvantage of watching movie in cinema? Kekurangannya lihat film di bioskop apa nih kira-kira?
Bahasa Indonesia bisa kan, Sir?
Oh, sure, boleh.
Kekurangannya, kekurangannya sih nggak, jarang ke bioskop sih, Sir. Makanya
Because that is
nggak
so far away
terlalu,
from your house ya.
ya,
So, this so far away
kalau,
from house.
ya,
And then, apa lagi?
kalau di rumah, kalau kekurangan di rumah ya nggak ada juga, cuman agak sepi, hanya
Ah,
sendiri.
oh, so there's a quiet and you watch alone gitu ya.
Ya,
Okay, thank you very much, Grace. That is good opinion. Okay, next we will have Zahra. Zahra.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Zahra, can you mention the advantage and the disadvantage of watching movie in Netflix?
In Netflix, uh, bisa bisa nontonnya sambil rebahan.
So it more comfortable ya.
Yes. Terus bisa bisa ngambil makanan dengan cepat.
Oh, it feels free to take many food ya.
Yes.
Okay, it is good opinion. How about the disadvantage?
Eh, Kalau jaringannya lagi jelek tuh biasanya jadi ngeblur-ngeblur gitu.
Because the
Kayak
signal ya.
yes.
Because of the signal, so the movie is like something like lagging gitu ya, lag gitu ya.
Yes.
Okay, that's all.
Yes.
Okay, Zahra, good job. Thank you very much, Zahra.
Thank you.
Okay, next we will have Aska. Aska.
Iya.
Okay, Aska, how about you? I want to ask you about what is the advantage and the disadvantage of watching movie in cinema or in movie theater. Kelebihan dan
Eh,
kekurangannya.
kelebihan, kekurangannya.
Kelebihan dan
Kalau
kekurangan lihat di sinema atau bioskop.
oke, apa, kelebihannya tuh kayak eh, bisa makan popcorn,
You can take the popcorn.
eat popcorn.
Mhm.
Kekurangannya tuh
Okay, what
uh,
is like?
need to leave house.
Oh, you need to leave house and you have to pay more money ya.
Ya,
Kayak the price is little bit high ya, agak mahal gitu ya.
iya,
Okay, that's all, Aska.
ya.
Okay, good job. Thank you very much, Aska. So that is the advantage and disadvantage of watching movie in cinema or in Netflix. Okay, now let's continue to the next. We will have here focus on vocabulary. So we have 8 vocabularies here. Number 1, hangout. Number 2, popcorn. Number 3, crisis. Number 4, pandemic. Number 5, by 4. And number 6, popularity. Number 7, demand. And the last, turn down. So here the vocabulary, and in the beside, di sampingnya ada the definition. So I want you to here to match the vocabulary with the definition. Okay, if you want to try, you can raise your hand ya. You can raise your hand if you want to try to answer number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or number 7, 8. Oke, kalau ada yang mau mencoba menjawab, bisa angkat tangan nih untuk menggandengkan. For the example here, we have number 1, hang out. So hang out. So what is it meaning? So hang out, the meaning is D, spending time with friends or relaxing. So something like that. Okay, can you try it? Bisa coba nggak nih kira-kira? Or
Berapa aja nih?
it feels free,
Ini-
bebas nih. Mau coba berapa boleh?
Number 1 dong. Itu hangout.
Hang out. So hang out.
Itu di F dan di F, the need for something to be of profit as with the others. Ya,
Hang
gitu kan?
Ya kayak misalnya,
Ya.
kan tadi saya kasih contoh nih, number 1, hang out. Hang out itu match-nya dengan yang D, spend
Sorry,
time with friends. It's okay, nggak perlu minta maaf ya, karena di sini kita belajar bersama-sama. We will learn together ya. Jadi nggak apa,
Okay,
nice try. The example, number
okay.
1, hang out. Itu jawabannya D, spend time with friends, relaxing. So you can continue with number 3 until number 8 nih. Bisa lanjut di nomor 2 sampai nomor 8. Gimana?
Nomor 5 deh.
Number
5
5?
di B.
Number
Ya,
5
B 4.
by 4. So the answer is apa nih kira-kira?
B ini B by a great amount.
By great
Atau-
amount. Artinya apa nih kira-kira? By a great amount. By a
Age.
great amount. Apa nih kira-kira? Tahu nggak kira-kira Grace? By great amount. Jadi yang pertama tadi ada yang di hangout, terus ada 5 yang by 4. By 4 itu by a great amount. Nah, benar banget ya, dari yang urutan yang terbesar ya.
Iya.
Oke, good job Grace, that is correct. Maaf ya, bikin bingung ya.
Ya, sorry.
It's okay. Semuanya boleh mencoba menjawab ya. Tidak perlu merasa takut atau khawatir ya. So that is the B. We have number 5. We have B. How about the others? Who wants to try?
Boleh jawab?
Siapa nih? Aska dulu ya, coba Aska.
Number 3 with
Number 3 with crisis. So number 3 crisis. Jawabannya apa?
F.
F. The need or something to provide or supply the other. Artinya kebutuhan untuk sesuatu untuk dipenuhi atau dipenuhi oleh yang lain. Kira-kira
Ya.
itu bukan? Menurut Aska jawabannya F ya, krisis.
Ya.
So, krisis jawabannya itu yang benar adalah yang
Demand ya?
apa ya? Kalau yang F itu demand ya.
Demand ya? Oh, demand.
Berarti Aska tadi mau jawab gimana? Number? What's number?
7.
Number 7, demand. So the answer is
F.
F. Benar banget ya. The need for something to be provided or supplied by others. Jadi kebutuhan atau yang untuk sesuatu yang dipenuhi oleh yang lainnya. Demand atau permintaan gitu ya.
Ya.
Okay, good job Aska. Thank you very much Aska. Okay, and then next we will have Zahra Zahra?
Popcorn for G. A snack made
Popcorn.
from
Number 2. Popcorn. You choose
G. G.
G. A snack made from yellow seeds that is popular at the movie theater. Oke, bener banget ya. Biji jagung. Dari biji jagung ya, popcorn. Oke, good job. Oke, ada yang mau coba lagi? Kita masih ada nomor 2, 3, 5, dan 8 nih. Masih ada tuh 2, 3, 4. Ada 4 lagi nih yang belum di fulfill by all of you. Or I will spare it. Bagaimana dengan Grace? Can you try number 3? And number 4, Grace. Number 3 and number 4.
Number 3 with with
Krisis. Number
bentar.
3, krisis. Kira-kira krisis. Ini kira-kira yang mana nih?
B? Ini ada B.
Krisis.
Atau
B? Tadi kan B jawabannya nomor 5, B nih.
oh iya.
So,
Wait,
krisis. Jawabannya?
krisis.
Krisis.
Mana ya?
Jawabannya tadi apa? Chris bilang apa tadi? What did you say?
Enggak, belum baca. I don't know, sir.
It's okay, it's okay. Masih bingung ya?
Yeah.
Okay, so crisis, the answer is A. Yang A ya. A very dangerous and very difficult situation. Krisis, jadi adalah situasi yang sangat bahaya dan sangat sulit gitu.
Oh iya.
Can you get it? Paham nggak? Okay.
Gampang.
How about number 4? Can you try?
Okay. Number 4.
Pandemic.
With G. Kok beda sih?
Beda gimana?
Antar.
Pandemic.
Itu H.
Bener banget. Pandemic jawabannya adalah H. H ya. So, an illness that exists in the most people or across the most of an area. Jadi suatu penyakit yang ada di banyak orang gitu ya. Pandemic. Jadi semua orang banyak yang kena gitu ya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good job, Grace. Thank you very much, Grace, for trying. Okay, next, how about Aska? Can you try number 6?
6. 6 itu with A.
6. Popularity with A. A quality of being liked or supported by many people. Bener banget, Aska. Bener ya, that's correct. Bener ya. So, popularity, the quality of being disukai atau disupport oleh banyak orang. Popularitas ya. Bener banget, Aska. Good job. Okay, next, Zahra. Number 8, Zahra.
C.
C. Number 8, the answer is C. Say no to something. Turn down. Bilang tidak untuk sesuatu. That's correct. Bener banget. Good job, Zahra.
Okay.
Okay, so the answer, all of this, number 1, hangout, the answer is D. Popcorn, the answer is G. And crisis, number 3, the answer is A. And pandemic, the answer is H. And by 4, the answer is B. And popularity, the answer is E. And demand, the answer is F. And the last turn down, the answer is C. Okay, let's focus on vocabulary. Okay, now we will continue to this. Write the correct word or phrase from part A in each sentence. Jadi tadi udah ada pilihannya nih tadi. Dan sekarang tugasnya untuk memadupadankan yang ada di pilihan ini tadi ke dalam sini. Oke, di sini juga ada 8. Here 8 vocabularies, ada 8 kosakata, dan di sini juga ada 8 sentence, 8 sentences. Oke, wants to try number 1? COVID-19 was a major blah 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 for the movie theater industry with many having to close. Number 1, who wants to try? Ada yang mau coba nomor 1 nggak nih? Fokusnya ada 8. How about if we spare into... Okay, I will give the example number 1 ya. COVID-19 was a major blah 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 for the movie theater industry with many having to close. So, number 1, the answer is crisis. Jadi, COVID-19 adalah penyebab utamanya di mana movie theater industry atau industri bioskop banyak yang harus ditutup. Nah, jadi jawabannya nomor 1 is krisis. Krisis. Jadi COVID-19 adalah penyebab utama krisis untuk bioskop. Oke, ada yang nomor 2. There was a huge blah 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 for the new PlayStation when it first became available. Oke, number 2, want to try? Gimana ya? Agak kelihatan nggak kalau kecil kayak gini? Kelihatan ya harusnya.
Ya, kelihatan.
Oke, ada yang mau coba nomor 2?
Aku boleh jawab.
Oke, boleh. Mau nomor berapa nih, Aska?
Number 2.
Number 2, please.
Popularity.
There was a huge popularity for the new PlayStation when it is first became available. Bisa, tapi agak kurang tepat nih kira-kira. Selain itu apa nih kira-kira, Aska?
Demand.
Bener banget ya. Jadi permintaan. There was a... Bisa dibaca lengkapnya nggak kira-kira, Aska? Can you
There was
read
a
it?
high demand for the new PlayStation when it first became available.
Okay, good job. So you can read it. Huge ya. Huge demands. Okay, good job, Aska. Thank you very much, Aska, for trying number 2. Okay, ada yang mau mencoba lagi? Number 3. I think Manchester United is the best soccer team in the world. Ada yang mau mencoba nomor 3? How about Zahra? Can you try number 3?
Itu yang by far.
Okay, can you read the sentence?
I think Manchester United is the best soccer team in the world by far.
Okay, good job, Zahra. Kira-kira tahu artinya nggak, Zahra?
Itu artinya menurut saya Manchester United adalah tim sepak bola terbaik di dunia sejauh ini.
Okay, benar banget. That is correct, benar. Thank you very much, Zahra.
Thank you.
Oke, tadi udah ada kurang 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kita masih ada 5. Oke, kita akan bagi-bagi ya. Untuk nomor 45 akan ada Grace. Dan 6, 7 akan ada Zahra. Dan nomor 8 ada Aska. Oke, now we will try with number 4. Grace.
Nomor 4 itu popcorn. Popcorn.
4.
With my popcorn.
Can you read the sentence?
Yeah, I always choose to have salt with my popcorn instead of sugar when I go to the movie theater.
Oke, benar. Jawabannya adalah popcorn. The answer is popcorn. And how about number 5?
I never turn down.
I've never turned down a free vacation to Australia. Artinya, can you read the full sentence?
Number 5.
Yeah, number 5.
It never turned down a free vacation to Australia.
Okay, good job. That is correct. Number 4 and number 4 are correct. Benar banget ya dua-duanya. Good job, Grace. Okay, thank you. And then we will move to number 6 and number 7. How about Zahra?
Number 6, the president crisis is at an all-time low following his decision to increase tax.
Number 6. Tadi
Eh,
krisis
krisis.
udah dipakai nomor 1 nih.
Oh.
Berarti bukan krisis apa nih kira-kira?
Hmm. Popularitas.
Can you read the full sentence?
The president popularitas is at an all-time low following his decision to increase tax.
Oke, bener banget. Popularity. Popularitas presiden menurun ya karena keputusannya menaikkan pajak. Oke, how about number 7?
7, to hang out.
Okay, can you read the full sentence?
How cool would it be to hang out with a celebrity for the weekend?
Oke, bener banget ya. That is correct. Number 6 and number 7 are correct. Bener banget dua-duanya. Number 6, popularity, and number 7, hangout. Good job, Zahra.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, my pleasure. Okay, next, number 8, we will have Aska.
Yeah,
Okay, Aska, can you try number 8?
pandemic.
Okay, can you read the full?
COVID-19 isn't the first pandemic. Waduh, tertutupan. The world has seen and unfortunately won't be the last.
Oke, benar banget. The answer is pandemic. Jadi COVID-19 bukanlah penyakit massal yang pertama. Oke, good job. Thank you very much, Aska. Okay, that is about the match with the sentence. Okay, now let's move to the next. Here, discuss this question with the classmate and use the word bold in your answer. Do you eat popcorn when you go to movie theater? And what other snacks do you like to eat? Di sini ada 4 pertanyaan, nanti semuanya akan menjawab satu-satu ya. Nanti bisa Grace, ini Zahra, atau ini Aska. Jadi semuanya kebagian ya. Okay, and the first I will ask to Grace. Do you eat popcorn when you go to movie theater? Or what other snacks do you like to eat? Gimana nih Grace?
Ya, maksal makan popcorn ya? Kalau
Do you
pergi
eat
ke
popcorn when
bioskop.
you kalau kamu makan popcorn nggak nih kalau ke bioskop atau ada snack
Iya.
lain yang biasanya kamu makan?
Yeah, always popcorn in the movie theater.
So yes I do ya jawabannya. The answer is yes I do.
Oh, I do. Okay.
So what other snacks do you like to eat?
What other soda?
Soda?
Minuman?
Oh, so
Yeah.
like cola or
Yeah.
Sprite or
Sprite?
Fanta, something like that ya?
Yes.
Oh, so you like soda ya?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Grace.
Yeah.
Okay, next, number 2. Who do you hang out with on the weekend? Where do you usually hang out? I will ask to Aska. Number 2, Aska.
Yeah,
So, who do you hang out with on the weekend? And where do you usually hang out?
with my friend
With your friends. So, where do you usually hang out?
in cafe.
In cafe. So, usually in cafe with your friends, yeah?
Yeah.
So, what did you order?
Coffee,
Coffee
french fries,
and French fries,
sausage.
sausage, and then
Yeah,
that's all?
yeah.
Wow, it's so yummy. coffee, french fries, and sausage. Good job. Thank you very much, Aska. Okay, let's move to number 3. Why make you turn down an invitation to the movies? I will ask to Zahra.
Hmm, ngerasa kayak lelah aja, terus pengen
So,
rebahan di rumah.
so when you feel tired and you just want to relax at your home, yeah?
Yes.
So that's why you cancel the invitation to the movies.
Yes.
Okay, that is good opinion. Thank you very much, Zahra.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so the last. Is there a big demand for ticket when a popular movie is on at theater, or there is a big concert or an important sport game? I will ask to Aska, number 4. Aska,
Yeah.
so is there a big demand for tickets when a popular movie is on the theater?
Mm, No.
So your answer is
No.
no. Why? Why do you think that is no?
Because the tiket masih terjangkau.
Oh, jadi kayak pertanyaan tuh, apakah ada permintaan tiket yang besar nih ketika ada film yang populer tayang di bioskop?
Nggak ada.
Enggak ya, jadi biasa aja gitu ya.
Oh, iya.
Oh, so your answer is like just so-so ya, B aja gitu ya.
Iya.
Oke, jadi kayak it's okay. Okay, thank you very much Aska for try number 4. So that is number 4. So we have discussed about this one. Focus on vocabulary. Now let's move to scanning. Scan, you are going to read an article called Netflix or the movie theater. Check which way of watching movies do you think will be mentioned in the article. Scan to the article on page 4 and check your prediction. So this is the vocabulary. We have movie theater, watch, YouTube, computers, television, smartphone, tablets, and laptop. So now I want you to read this. So here we have a reading part. Di sini ada sesi reading. Okay, wait a minute. Kelihatan nggak kalian kira-kira ini? Oh, ternyata banyak sekali ya. It is a little bit long. Kelihatan nggak kalau segini kalian? Can you read the text? Hello everybody, can you hear my voice? Kelihatan nggak?
Enggak,
Nggak ya, kekecilan ya.
iya kekecilan.
Okay, how about if I share this to you ya? Akan saya share ke kalian ya. Okay, wait. You can check on your WhatsApp ya. Okay, can you take a look to the WhatsApp and you can see the article. You can read the article ya about Netflix or about Netflix or the movie theater. Okay, I will give you about 5 minutes to read the article and find here about scanning. Movie theater, watch, YouTube, computer, television, smartphone, tablets, laptop. Kira-kira yang di sini ada mana aja nih yang ada di pilihan ini? I will give you about 2 minutes ya, 2 menit aja ya, karena this is scanning. Jadi kalian harus hanya membaca cepat ya. Oke, please silakan ya. I will give you 2 minutes. Ada yang harus Oke, have you done? Udah selesai belum?
Yes, sir.
So, the answer, apa nih kira-kira jawabannya? Can you give the checklist with this option? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with the 8 options here. Ada yang mau kasih tahu jawabannya? Yang mana aja?
Movie
Gimana?
theater.
Movie theater, betul. Movie theater ada. Apalagi nih?
YouTube. YouTube bisa.
Sorry, apa?
YouTube.
YouTube, bener. YouTube ada. Apalagi nih?
Television.
Television, bener. Ada. And then?
Smartphones.
Smartphone. Are you sure? Oh, ada. Ternyata. Smartphone, ada juga.
Netflix, ya.
And then?
Laptops.
Laptops. And then the last, ada satu lagi nih.
Komputer. Computers. Nah,
Computers. Ada computers kah?
iya ada. Kalau
Oh.
ngeliat di atau enggak ya? Kalau di sini ya. Gitu.
Oke, can you mention which part? Yang bagian mana nih? Di sesi yang mana nih?
Sama aja kalau ngebuka aplikasi sih.
Di
Aplikasi
bacaannya?
komputer.
Di bacaannya nih, di bacaan tadi ada computers nggak?
Wait ya, sabar. Ntar
Oke.
kayaknya.
Yang ada di bacaan nih, kira-kira apa nih? Karena coach Eket hanya nemu 6 nih di bacaannya.
Oke. Oh, nggak ada.
Nggak ada ya?
Iya.
Ada satu lagi nih yang belum
Iya.
apa kira-kira?
Tablet.
Tablet,
Oh, iya.
bener banget ya. Oke, that's all. Itu ada 6 ya. Tadi coach baca, Cap baca ada 6. There are 6 options. Number 1 we have movie theaters, and number 2 television. Number 3 we have smartphone, and then YouTube, tablets, and the last laptop. Jadi yang ada itu, yang nggak ada tadi ada computers dan juga ada watch. Oke, so that's scanning atau membaca cepat ya. How about the article? Okay, now this is the reading comprehension. Decide if the following statement are true, false, and not given. So di sini ada 6 nih. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ada pertanyaan nih. Ada 6 statement. Jadi kalian harus menjawab ini true, false, atau not given. Kalian pilih yang mana nih? You can try to answer. For the first, kayak contohnya, many people enjoy movie theater. Banyak orang menikmati film bioskop. Jawabannya di situ ada true, benar, karena di bacaannya ada many people enjoy the movie theater. You can continue with number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Gimana nih kelanjutannya nih?
Sir, gambarnya nggak terlihat.
Gambar
Jadi aku ngelik. Ya nggak nampak soalnya. Masih
baca
di start sebelumnya.
masih di scanning ya?
Ya kalau di sini.
Oh sebentar ya, akan saya share ulang ya.
Ya.
Udah kelihatan belum? Reading compression.
Nothing, nggak ada.
Oh belum ya? Udah atau belum?
Belum.
Belum ya? Untuk Zahra sama Aska kelihatan apa belum?
Kelihatan.
Kelihatan ya?
Kelihatan.
Kelihatan ya? Udah
Udah.
kelihatan? Oke. You can try which one? Mau coba yang mana nih?
Number 2.
Number 2. Oke, silahkan.
It's true.
True. Fewer people were going to the movies before the pandemic. Jawabannya adalah true. Bener banget. True. Oke, good job.
Yes.
And then, what's number? Ada lagi nih? Ada lagi nggak? How about Aska? You want to try?
Number 4.
Number 4. Oke, Aska boleh number 4.
True.
Families are watching together more at home. Number 4 jawabannya apa?
True.
True. So, jadi jawabannya adalah false ya.
Oh.
False karena number 4.
Together.
Karena banyak yang menontonnya di bioskop untuk keluarga ya. For the family. It's okay. How about number 3, Aska? Can you try number 3?
World of streaming service. True.
True, the popularity of streaming service began to grow during the health crisis. Jawabannya adalah number 3. Di sini tidak dijawab ya, jadi false ya, Aska. Emang agak sedikit membingungkan nih di sini. It's okay, Aska. Aska, you wanna try number lain? Gimana, Aska? You want to try? Atau yang lainnya mau mencoba nomor 5 and 6?
Number 5.
Number 5, okay.
My answer not given.
Bener banget ya. NG, not given. Jadi, more people are going to the movie theater now that they are open again. Jawabannya adalah NG. Tidak disebutkan ya, not given. Okay, good job, Grace. And the last number 6. Siapa mau coba number 6? Who wants to try number 6?
Number 6 itu false FF.
Number 6, the answer is there are many reasons why the movie study probably will continue. Jawabannya adalah number 6. Apa jawabannya?
F.
Jawabannya adalah
False.
true ya di sini. There are
true
many
ya?
reasons. True. Jadi masih banyak alasan nih di sini. Okay, that is the reading comprehension. Memang agak sedikit membingungkan ya. Perhaps we can try next. Because di research-nya tadi masih ada kayak movie theater persentasenya masih 62% ya. So the popularity of watching movie in movie theater masih banyak ya, masih 62% nih. Okay, good job. This is for reading comprehension. Okay, now let's move to the next. We will have here. You are about here for teenagers talking about streaming and movie theater. Listen and write down the type of movie it's likes best. Oke, di sini saya akan mencoba untuk memutar audionya. Kira-kira kedengaran atau tidak ya? Sebentar ya, wait a minute. Oke, ini nanti kelasnya berakhir sampai jam 20.30 ya, karena tadi mulainya terlambat. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Oke, jadi 8:30 ya, karena agak ngaret mulainya. Oke, sebentar ya, untuk listeningnya kita akan melewati untuk listening. Kita akan continue to this vocabulary. Jadi kita akan move to vocabulary here. In the vocabulary part, here we have look at these sentences. What do you think its word praise mean? Jadi ini ada kalimat. Ini menurut kalian ini artinya apa nih kira-kira? Ada pilihannya A, B. Di sini ada 5. Okay, now I want you to read this and try to answer. Okay, kelihatan nggak? Can you read this one? Bisa kebaca kan?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, please. Oke, ada yang mau mencoba nomor 1? Want to try number 1? Ada yang mau mencoba nomor 1, nomor 2, nomor 3, nomor 4, atau nomor 5 nih? Bebas. Ada yang mau mencoba? Want to try?
Opsi jawabannya AB kan, sir?
Iya, A sama B, pilih salah satu. You can choose one.
Oh, okay. Number 1, answer B.
Number 1, I'm nearly always up for it and I'd never turn it down. So you
Yeah.
choose
B.
B. I'm always positive
Answer.
about this and I never say bad things about them. Are you sure?
Iya.
Jawabannya adalah di sini. Jawabannya harusnya adalah A. I hardly ever refuse an invitation to the movie theater because I like it so much. Gitu ya jawabannya ya. Jadi aku selalu I'm nearly always up for it. Aku selalu sedia dan I never turn it down. Jadi aku kayak nggak pernah bilang tidak gitu. Paham nggak kira-kira maksudnya?
Jawabannya dari mana? Dari
Ini.
teks
Dari
sebelumnya.
teks ini. Dari ini. I'm nearly always up for it. Aku selalu tersedia. Kayak aku selalu siap gitu loh. Jadi up for it itu kayak artinya apa nih kira-kira? Jadi ini adalah suatu kata yang maksudnya apa? Up for it artinya adalah aku selalu sedia, mau gitu. And I'd never turn it down. Turn it down kan artinya kayak say no. Jadi kayak aku nggak pernah bilang tidak. Nah di sini yang menurut kamu cocok kira-kira yang A. Aku jarang menolak an invitation atau ajakan untuk ke bioskop karena aku sangat menyukainya kayak gitu. Paham nggak kira-kira Grace?
Iya, sedikit.
Sedikit ya. Jadi kayak aku selalu sedia. Jadi I'd never turn it down. Aku nggak pernah nolak. Jadi ini adalah praise. Jadi kayak adalah kata yang memiliki arti.
Berarti kayak
gimana?
Enggak, mau bertanya. Berarti nomor 1 itu gimana ya? Soalnya gimana itu? Kenapa bisa jawaban A-nya tadi tuh kayak gimana? Karena selalu siap soalnya kan?
Iya, karena always up for it. Jadi aku selalu sedia dan aku jarang menolak. Nah, katanya ini kalimat yang mirip dengan jawabannya ini, mirip dengan pilihannya ini mana nih? Kan jawabannya yang mirip ini yang A. Jadi aku jarang menolak, aku jarang banget nolak. Aku jarang bilang tidak. Reviews kan bilang tidak kan? Aku jarang banget bilang tidak to movies. Jadi karena jarang bilang tidak, pasti dia selalu sedia untuk melihat film di bioskop. Because I like it so much gitu. Do you get it?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Paham ya?
Thank you,
Oke.
sir. Paham.
Oke, my pleasure. Oke, ini waktunya udah hampir habis ya. Kita akan mulai Zoom Gimit lagi ya, bentar lagi. It's okay?
Oke.
Oke, aku akan share ulang ya linknya. Karena bentar lagi akan ditutup ternyata. Wait a minute.